Okay everyone, now we are going to introduce the PHARM ID software operation video for you. Firstly, power on the instruments. After power on the instruments, we'll show you how to operate this instrument. Firstly, it's needed to access the username, support admin, and password is big Q, small q, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and press login. And this is the main menu of the PHARM ID software. Firstly, press setting. Here you can create method. Here you have ID methods and scan method. Firstly, add the ID methods. You can input the method name, such as we test acetone, for instance. So you input the method name as acetone and sample name. It can be the same or different. And you can input a barcode number, or you just press the camera to make a scan. Yeah, such as we make a scan of a barcode. Yeah, okay, it's recognized. And then you can press yes. So for parameters, you can choose dictate mode with accurate dictate or fast dictate. Algorithm setting, you just keep the previous one. Instrument setting, you can also press auto and manually, and auto usually set auto, and HQI settings also can auto or manual. We choose auto, and all these settings is okay. We move on to set an ID method. Firstly, this is the liquid sample cell, and put the inside the probe head, and then put the acetone inside the camera and open it and close it, and then you just click dictate to set dictate. Can make it faster. Just click dictate and complete it till it finished the 20 samples. And every time the HQI value should be over the 85%. Otherwise, it will remind you to detect again. Okay, finish it. So let's complete next. To access any CS numbers, you can put whatever numbers, just requires not repeated, and also for this is a remark, you can make it for test and to complete it. Okay, successfully save. Now you have a create acetone method. Let's verify test. Firstly, before you make self-validations, we have a polystyrene cap. You can see this is polystyrene cap, and you just need to assemble it on the head of the prod and click dictate. You can just finish the self-validation and complete. And it's as the e-signature. Put the username support admin. And the password is BQ SMOQ12345 and confirm it. After self-validation, you just use the ID to verify the sample is right or not. Yeah, this is the acetone. So you can select the method name acetone, and maybe you make a number of tested, and you can just put 2. Okay, and the batch numbers, you can put whatever batch numbers, or you can press the camera to scan the barcode. Yes, and yes, and okay. You can next, press next, and you can verify it. Okay, start. Or it's pass. Such as okay, if you use another different samples to try, you can save it. You can save it. Yes. You can put a remark or take camera of the samples. Yeah, we can just have pictures. This is the, yeah, okay. And then you can just complete it. And if you use another one that is not, and you try to dictate it. Okay, and dictate. See, it's fail. Okay, that means it's not the. You can make a remark for test, and for the camera, you can take a. You can take a picture of this. Take a picture of it. It's not correct samples, so you can make a record and export report to complete it. And you need to cite the e-signature. Cite the support admin. And put the password BQ SMOQ12345 and confirm it. And okay. So next we are going to create a scan method. Yeah, scan method is you can add a method name. Method name that's ethanol, such as you put an ethanol. ANOL. And you can also set accurate dictate and fast dictate. Usually we dictate accurate dictate, and instrument parameters. You can choose manually auto and delay scan. Okay, and save this method name as successful. And next we can use the you can, in the spectral library, you will have an answer tone method, and you need to add an SNO method, and to build a library. And this is the SNO. Yeah, it's okay. It's as next, and you can put the library name SNO. CS number is whatever numbers, that's fine. And for test, and complete it. And please input change reasons, whatever for test. And yes, okay. So you can just scan the S note. This is the S note. Select S note method and dictate. Yeah, this is S note is matched, right? You can put batch numbers, and you can take camera. You can add filters. Yes, I complete it, and assign the single notch, that is support admin. Confirm. Okay, finish it. So after that, you can check the historical record, and it has the dictate record. You can see just like we S note has dictate. This is the S note, and here you can export a report. This is in PDF, has the picture, and save it, and yes, okay, and okay, and yes, and also you can just export TXT format. Okay, yes, and also you can place others. This is just the name, CS, and remarks. And for checkers, you can checker signature to put the checker signature password. Yeah, if you have the checker permissions, you can just put your password and confirm it. Yeah, and for spectral overlap, so if you have approver's signature, you can also put the password, but it can set an OK and remark just for test. And also spectral overlap, you can add historical data. Can add historical data and added any spectrum inside. It will show different colors, and it shows different. Okay, you can clear out. Okay, and you can save it. Why you save it? Just for test. Okay, So that is the test record. And then we can also check the audit trail. It will audit all the operation activities you have done, and you can report, export records. Okay, very successfully. Okay, now we're almost done, and finally you can just done the Android. Yeah, if you need to detect the powders, you can assemble the solid sample cell and just put it and just make it against, such as, yeah, can make it against it. Okay, yeah, this is the algorithms. Input batch numbers and just add photos. Take the cameras. Okay. Completed and sign the e-signature. Support admin and the password. And to confirm. Okay. And lastly, we also have the immersion probe. This is used to dip into the liquid sample, liquid barreled, and you just need to screw down the short probe and install it along immersion probe. That's it. Okay, so that's all of it.